Hello YouTube. Wanted to show you a bit of my wiring on the van. Right, I've got coming from the batteries underneath the seat. I've got my main cable with a breaker on it. That comes along, and I've built this box. In here is my batteries, split charger relay, my 240 volt battery charger. On the outside of the box, some LED lights. Then I've got my main cut-off switch. Which cuts off all the back. Right. That main cut-off switch there then goes up to my main control panel. So I can turn all this off by that switch. So it cuts everything off in the back. So I've got forward lights. My ceiling ain't done yet, so they just put in there 2 forward lights, 2 center lights, and my 2 rear lights. Then I've got my fan, which is there. That's my fan going. Right, then I've got water pump. This is my water pump for my sink. Right, and then the last one is going to be for my diesel night heater once that's fitted. I've got a battery monitoring system. I've got 6 lights on now. I'm using 2 watts, 0.16 amps. And then in the overhead cupboard, I've got my little fuse panel. I've got a switch here to give me light inside the cupboard. I'm yet to do all this. I've got to insulate all this yet. So I've got all my fuses marked there. So I've still yet to connect the night heater and a solar. Then I've got 2 overhead bed lamps. These are not on any switch because they've got their own switches, but they are going to the fuses. Smoke alarm, carbon monoxide tester alarm, plenty of light in here off the lights. And I've also started running in my 240. There's a plug there. I'm going to be fitting another plug up in the top cupboard, which will be solely for my battery charger once I'm on hookup. So it's a fairly simple setup. A lot of wiring in the cupboard, you can see it. Help if I put the light on. There's a fair bit of wiring in there, which I got to tidy up. But I've run this main one here, all my wires are in that, and that runs along the top of the van in the top gutter in there all the way, branches out to each one here for the lights. My next job is the ceiling going up in here. Should be this week now, hopefully, because I've only just fitted the roof vent, so I've been waiting to do that to get the ceiling up. Any questions, please ask. Thanks for watching.